Step 1. The glass card. Draw a rectangle at 20% opacity. Add an effect -background blur, set it to 40. Add a 1px white stroke inside 20% opacity to give it a crystal edge. The animated progress bar. Draw a line. Duplicate it and make it a bright color, like your hot pink. Use Smart Animate to make the pink line grow from 0% to 100%. The animation. Duplicate your entire iPhone frame. On the second frame, click that 1px pink line and stretch it out to the full 300px width. Go to Prototype, connect frame 1 to frame 2. Settings, after delay. Smart Animate. Linear. 1000 milliseconds, 1 seconds.